The line for Phantom Theater is crazy right now. It is literally going out, going down. It's like going down around there. I'm not sure how far down it goes. I've heard people say the wait on this is about 2 hours right now, okay? The fast lane line is coming out the back here as well. I'm curious how long that is. I kind of want to get in it and I kind of don't. I don't know. We might wait and do this tomorrow, actually. Maybe I'll come to this first thing tomorrow and rope drop this because I'm not sure I want to wait for this right now. Okay, so I just hopped right in the line here for Fastlane. They probably won't be letting us in until about 10 for it. I think they have early access going on for the regular people in the ride here. I'm pretty sure you need a prestige pass, though, to do early access, so that's not for me because I just have the gold one. But, yeah, I'll just wait here for Fastlane. I'm, like, literally maybe the 6th or 7th person here in line. I'm just going to wait for this here and get on it and see what it's all about.
Actually out on this one, so I'm gonna have to get on the next one. Oh, they just turned back on, so all right.
Cool, thanks, man.
Works out.
Yep.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs inside the opera box at all times. And please watch your children.
Welcome, fellow ushers. Remember, all the world's a stage. Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime. Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime. The audience is gathering and waiting for the show to begin. Let's go backstage where the cast is rehearsing. Oh, here's the maestro.
These lights ought to get rid of them. Go away, those smells.
Well, that didn't work, and the show starts in 1 minute. Oh boy, I gotta hurry. The maestro forgot his music. Get these ghost notes out of here! Help! Get these ghost notes out of here! Look at that! You trapped the ghost note in the boiler!
Just got an absolutely fantastic ride on Phantom Theater. Actually got 2 rides on Phantom Theater. I was there for it at Rope Drop. Had to wait a minute. A couple of drops of rain coming down, but it stopped, so we're good. But yeah, I got in there once and then got in line, did it again with Fastlane, and it's fantastic. The animatronics in there, just all the onboard audio and everything. I mean, it's great. Very well put together. Also, the guns in there, incredibly responsive. I was using their little flashlights. You have to like catch the ghost notes with the flashlights, and they are just very responsive. They hit everything. You can just kind of hold it down and spam it across the thing. It's a lot of fun, though. I just can see that being a great ride. It's going to be very popular for years to come here at Kings Island. A good time. The line, by the way, just going around the back there. I heard people in line saying they've been waiting for an hour already. The ones that are in the back of it probably waiting 2 hours to get on this. So this is definitely something I'm glad to have the fast lane for, because it's a fun ride. Maybe worth waiting even 2 hours for if you're going to do it for the first time. If you've never done it before, it could be worth it just because it is such a cool, unique experience. But yeah, really, really great dark ride. Great addition to Kings Island here. Kudos to Kings Island. Good job with this, guys. You knocked it out of the park with this one.
Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime. Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime.
Looks like we're gonna have a full house for the show. Let's go backstage where the cast is rehearsing. Oh, here's the maestro.
It's the first note. Ushers, we need your help. The note's headline. On your flashlights. Then the back end of the pipe organ. Wow, there's too many of them. It's ghost note madness.
These lights ought to get rid of them. Go away, ghost notes.
Oh no, they're still here. And it's almost showtime. Look at someone. I'm scared.
Help! Get these ghost notes out of here.